A long time ago, in the bamboo grove near the city Rajagaha, the Buddha sat in peace. One day, a Brahmin man who was not a follower of Buddha, full of anger, came to see him. "You, Gautama," calling by Buddha's late name, which shows disrespect. "I heard that one of my students has left home to follow you. This is shameful. You are misleading people." The Buddha did not get angry. Instead, he spoke gently. "Tell me, Brahmin, do you ever invite guests to your home?" "Yes, sometimes my friends and family visit me," Brahmin said. "And do you serve them food?" "Logically," Buddha asked. "Of course, I give them all kinds of food and delicacies," Sarinya Brahmin replied. "What happens if they don't accept the food?" Buddha asked. "Then the food remains mine," Brahmin said. "In the same way, Brahmin, that with which you have insulted me, who is not insulting, that with which you have taunted me, who is not taunting, that with which you have berated me, who is not berating, that I don't accept from you. It's all yours, Brahman. It's all yours. Whoever returns insult to one who is insulting, returns taunts to one who is taunting, returns a berating to one who is berating, is said to be eating together, sharing company with that person. But I am neither eating together nor sharing your company, Brahman. It's all yours. It's all yours." Hearing this, Brahman realized his mistake. He had come to insult the Buddha, but the Buddha's wisdom turned his anger into understanding. This story teaches us a powerful lesson. If someone tries to hurt you with words, you don't have to accept their anger. Stay calm, and the insult will remain with them. Kindness is always stronger than anger. If you found this video as insightful, like and subscribe to watch more videos.